Hello everyone, I'm nutritionist Vidisha and welcome to my channel NutriFont. Today I will share a sample diet plan of PCOD who are suffering from PCOD. But always remember, this is a sample diet plan. The amount I will tell you is just to help you out how to plan your diet and how to incorporate those foods which I have told you earlier into your diet. But the amount actually vary from person to person, as the total calorie intake of every individual is different. If you want to know what the exact calorie you need and what the amounts do you need, and if you want a diet chart for yourself, then you can contact me through Facebook or Instagram. My Facebook and Instagram ID is in below. Or you can mail me. My mail ID is on screen. And if you are planning to make a diet plan by your own, then this video is going to help you out. And before planning any diet plan, my suggestion is please watch my previous two videos regarding diet plan, where I have told you about the dietary guidelines of PCOD and what you need to eat and what you need to avoid during PCOD. Both videos are linked in the I button. Please check out the I button above, and I will attach both videos at the end of this video also. So without any further discussion, let's start the video. Before planning any diet chart, we need to know when will we eat. So for that, let's see this. Now you already know when to eat. Now it's time to know what to eat at those times. So let's see. We all know that we need to start our day with a glass of warm water. Yes, those who are suffering from PCOD will do the same. But for a change, they will start their day with a glass of amla juice. Amla juice is pretty much available in the market. You will get it from both online and offline shops. But how will you drink it? You need 30 ml of amla juice. This container you will get with the packaging only. And you will need 30 ml of amla juice with 60 ml of warm water. You need to drink more water, so you will drink a glass of warm water with this also. So what will you drink in the morning? You will drink 30 ml of amla juice with 60 ml of warm water and 1 glass of warm water. That will be a plain normal warm water. Now let's come to the breakfast. In breakfast, I will tell you about 5 options that you can have in breakfast. It's like oat smoothie, oats khichdi, dalia khichdi. You can have normal dal and roti, or you can have idli sambar. These are best options for breakfast. You can have it in breakfast. If you are planning to have oat smoothie, then check on the I button above. There is a oat smoothie for weight loss. And if you are planning to have any other from rest of those, then check out. And watch this video till the end, because at the end of this video I will tell you how to measure the amount. In breakfast, if you are planning to have oats khichdi, dalia khichdi, idli sambar or dal roti, then you need to have 2 to 4 almonds with it. Now let's come to the mid-morning. In mid-morning, you can have any kind of seasonal fruits. You can have some lemons or some citrus fruits, or you can have guava, or any seasonal fruit will be the best option. Now let's come to the lunch, and for lunch I will refer this thali. In this thali I have used rice, but you can have roti also instead of rice. And for those who are vegetarian can have any paneer instead of fish. Now let's come to the evening snack. Evening snack is most important, and for evening snack you can have some green smoothie, or you can have sprout salad. And sprout salad video is already there in the channel. And if you are planning to have some green smoothie, then for green smoothie you need spinach, cucumber, ginger and coriander leaves and salt, and mix it all in a blender or mixer grinder, and don't strain out the fiber from the smoothie. You can add some mint leaves also, it will give your smoothie a nice flavor. If you are planning to have this green smoothie in evening snack, then you can skip the green leafy vegetables at lunch. But if you are thinking to have it twice a day, then you can have green leafy vegetables twice a day, there is no problem. Now it's dinner time. For dinner you can have roti or chapati, or if you want to have rice you can have rice also. And with roti or rice you need to have a bowl of dal, and you need to have a bowl of vegetable. For post dinner you can have a glass of warm milk, that would be skimmed or double toned milk. I have told you before that I will show you how to measure the amount. For measurement you can buy this. These are very easily available in market, and you will get it from online and offline both. And if you are not planning to invest some money for buying this, then watch this. This is a 120 ml measuring cup. You can check out the volume of this cup, and you can use any bowl of the same volume. This is like this much. And this one is 30 ml. And this one is 60 ml. And this one is 240 ml. This is a tablespoon and this is a teaspoon, and for tablespoon and teaspoon you can use those tablespoon and teaspoon from your cutlery set also. If you have the bowl of this size in your house, then you don't need to purchase this, and I think you will definitely have the bowl of this size. Or if you have something to measure in your house, that is very good, then you can measure it. So that is all. I hope this video will help you to plan your diet chart, and for further help you can contact me. And if you like this video, then give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon right next to it. And share this video with your friends and family, because I need your help, and your friends or family will also may need this video. Eat smart, go fit. Thank you.